Unique non-greasy pliable formula. Movable wax without the buildup. Easy to use and work into hair of all types. Heat the wax in the jar with a blow dryer to make dry wax more pliable. Advanced hair care formula. Amazing new technology to create a highly versatile hair care system for all hair types, textures, styles and chemical care needs. Simple as 1, 2, 3 to cleanse, repair, moisturize and equalize your hair for that everyday salon look. Enjoy Hair Care is a unique line of hair products that was developed for your simple everyday needs. Containing no sulfate in the shampoos, Enjoy products give your hair strength without harming or stripping your color-treated hair. Enjoy uses their cleanse sensor technology to ensure proper treatment of your hair type. Top reviews from the United States. Great wax for short spiked hair. This wax works great on my short hair. I have used many products over the years and recently found this one, definitely one I'll continue to use, definitely recommend for B-day and ability to style and shape.